Today, we will be showing off my collection of floppy disks. Do, 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 do. And today, I'm going to be showing you this. Actually, I should have showed you the lid first. It looks much more interesting. It's actually a screensaver. Yeah, it's a legitimate screensaver. The disc 1 of 2. What? Just 2 of 2. That's weird. They usually say that one installs and the other one is their program, but I guess I don't know. Oh, what's this? There's also these ones, which I didn't know were in there. What the heck happened? I know there's another set of floppy disks in here somewhere. Hopefully. I guess not. Wow. Oh no. Did I? No, I didn't. Because it stopped recording on the last one because of a stupid ad, because I was being stupid. While I was putting all this stuff away, I did notice that there was a warranty inside the little package that these floppy disks came in. I doubt that warranty is still renewable. Oh well. I'll have to save that for a later date. That as well. Actually, that's an internet connection disc. What do you know? And yes, I am aware that this is not a good way to store your discs. Unfortunately, this is the way that my uncle packaged them. So not much I can do about that. Till I get some jewel cases. And no, I don't mean the jewel. I mean actual CD cases. At least that's what they used to be called. I don't know what you kids call them today. Well, that was a short look at my screensaver thing. It's upside down. Oh, well, you guys will see where I got this from. It's on that box right there. Oh, boy. Now to look at this antivirus. With more floppy disks. This one is special, though, because, of a reason. Because it actually has some floppy disks that I've never had a chance to own before. I'm sure you're all I'm sure you're all familiar with these. The 8-bit guy uses one of these for his intro. Unfortunately, I don't have a drive for these yet. I know the computer was supposed to come with one, but it didn't. Otherwise, I would have found it already and brought it home. Wow, 1991. Wow, 1991. Jeez. So these are borderline not even going to work anymore. And what I mean by that is that floppy disks got very terrible once they reached 2000. So, unfortunately, these aren't any of the early floppy disks, so they probably won't actually last very long. And one of my friends actually did tell me that there was an actual disc in here. And I was like, what? And he was like, what? No, I'm just kidding. He was like, yeah. Oh boy, is my camera fuzzy. I've got to fix that. Well, those are the only I think those are 5-inch floppy disks. I don't think they're 10-inch because they're not very floppy. Unlike 10-inch floppy disks, which are very floppy. What's this? I'm sure that's fine. I'll read that later. Hey, what's that? Uh, So, this is also for 3.5-inch floppy drives, but that's not as interesting as these 5-inch or 8-inch ones. There are 8-inch ones, but they're considered to be in the 10-inch range. Don't ask me why. I'm not a good computer person. In fact, I'm pretty sure my computers are not happy with me. Okay, let's start putting this stuff back into the boxes. And I'm not sure what I will use these floppy disks for. Maybe I'll find a use for them. Actually, I was planning on using them, so that's a good thing, I suppose. This is not a good way to store my floppy disks. I am aware of that. But I don't really have a proper way to store them anyways, so unfortunately. Just for right now. And I was trying to test my computer with DVD, but it wasn't working, so that's just great. I think that's all from me. And I'm pretty sure that the 8-bit guy actually uses one of those 8-inch floppy disks for his intro. So go check out his channel because he does it every day for his videos whenever he makes them. He doesn't make videos every day, but whenever he does, he usually uses a floppy disk just like that to do his intro. I've never seen stuff like this. Just because I never seen stuff like this. Well, I think that's it from me. I'm pretty sure I went through everything. I showed off the screensaver. I showed off the antivirus and the 10-inch floppy disks. I mean 5-inch. And I'm pretty sure that's it. So, oddware. And I can't call it oddware. I mean, obscure media is out.